Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up and using the key features of Divi to design your WordPress site with ease. You can find the link to try Divi from Elegant Themes in the description below. Click it to visit their website and explore Divi. Divi is a widely used WordPress theme and page builder known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility. It offers a broad selection of professional templates, customizable elements, and various design options. With Divi, you can build almost any type of website without needing to write any code. Before getting started, make sure your WordPress site is properly set up. Once your site is ready, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, go to Appearance and then Themes, where you'll see the currently active default theme. To install Divi, use the link in the description to visit Elegant Themes. On their website, look for the section titled Unlock the Power of Divi and click Join Today. You can choose between a yearly or lifetime license. After making a purchase, download the Divi zip file from your account on the Elegant Themes website. Back in WordPress, click Add New under the Themes section, then select Upload Theme. Choose the Divi zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. After the installation is complete, click Activate to enable Divi on your site. Now that Divi is active, return to the WordPress dashboard, click on Pages, and then Add New. Give the page a name such as Home and click Use Divi Builder. You'll see three options: Build from scratch, use a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. For beginners, it's often easiest to start with a pre-made layout. Click Browse Layouts, select a category such as Business, and explore the available templates. Choose a template and click Use this layout. You'll be prompted to log in with your Elegant Themes username and API key, then click Submit. The template will load and you can begin customizing it. Divi's structure consists of sections, rows, and modules. Sections serve as the main building blocks, rows divide sections into columns, and modules are the individual elements, such as text, images, or buttons within those rows. To edit a module, hover over it and click the gear icon. You can make adjustments to the text, images, colors, and other settings directly in the visual editor. To edit a row or section, click the settings icon to change background colors, add gradients, or insert new rows and columns. Divi's design is responsive, ensuring your site looks great across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. To save your work, click Save Draft. When you're happy with the page, click Publish. You can repeat this process to create additional pages like an About or Contact page. Once your pages are created, upload your logo by going to Divi in the dashboard and selecting Theme Options. Upload the logo file and adjust its size by going to Appearance and then Customize. Here, you can also set a static home page and build your navigation menus. Under Appearance, add your pages to the menu and save the changes. This is how you use Divi to create a professional WordPress website. Whether you're just starting out or you've been using WordPress for a while, a good page builder like Divi makes a huge difference. It's part of the Elegant Themes membership and it's packed with features that can save you hours of work. You'll find the link in the description if you want to check it out and get started.